smooth and creamy from the top, with a crispy biscuit base from the bottom, with the best ever cream cheese frosting and the delicious rich pulpy strawberry jam, this would be the best cheesecake you would have ever made. So let's start off. So here I'm taking 12 digestive biscuits. Do not use Marie biscuits. Other than that, you can use any kind of digestive biscuits. Now crush these biscuits to fine powder and then add in 3 tablespoonfuls of regular melted salted butter. Here I'm using the Amul regular melted salted butter, and then mix everything really well until it turns into a crumbly stage. Just like this. Now here I'm taking a 6-inch springform pan which has a bottom which can be removed like this. Now upside down the base and lock it up. You can also use a regular cake mold and line it up with parchment butter paper acetate sheet. Here I'm lining it with foil paper so it is lined properly. Now you need to transfer the prepared biscuit base on the bottom of the springform pan evenly, and then spread everything really well with the help of a spoon. And then with anything flat that you have, press it down firmly so that it is evenly distributed. Ensure that whatever utensil you are using to press it up has a flat base. So the base of the cheesecake is ready. Now put it in the refrigerator, not freezer, for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. So for that, take 150 grams of cream cheese and whisk until it's loose. It will take a little time, but it will loosen up like this. Now to it, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar or icing sugar. Icing sugar is nothing but sifted powdered sugar. Now mix everything really well. The sugar should be equally incorporated in the cream cheese mixture. So mix it like this and it will look something like this. Now here I'm taking half a cup of whipped cream. For that, take 1/4 cup of whipping cream and whip it till stiff peaks so it will convert into half cup of whipped cream. Now mix the cream cheese mixture and the whipping cream mixture nicely until it's evenly mixed like this. Now add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Extract or essence, whatever you have, and then mix everything really well. So our filling is ready. Now transfer the fillings to the base of the springform pan and spread it evenly until it's all well distributed. Here I'm using a spoon to flatten it out because spoon works pretty well for this purpose. So our cheesecake is ready. Now refrigerate it for at least 8 to 9 hours. Now let's prepare the strawberry jam. For that, take 200 grams of fresh strawberries and then to it add 2 to 3 tablespoons of normal granulated sugar. Now after adding the sugar, mix everything really well until the sugar caramelizes and it leaves its acids, and the strawberries also start to come into a pulpy state. Also keep pressing the strawberries a little bit so that it comes into a saucy texture, just like this. So the jam is ready. Now demold the cheesecake and it will look something like this. Now add the strawberry jam. Now the jam should not be hot, like keep it in the freezer so that it becomes cool, and then add the cool jam on the top of the cheesecake. Now spread everything really well. This cheesecake turned out so good, so creamy, so delicious. So this is my recommendation to all of you, seriously, that please make this cheesecake and share with me your feedbacks, because this will be the best cheesecake you have ever made. Enjoy. Thank you.